The day started with a bit of rain, with the locals say it's pretty unusual, but well, we are expecting the breeze to come. It's been tricky, it's been difficult, challenging, but we managed to keep good positions in almost every race. We're standing in the game for the qualifying, and now the final starts, so the real game starts today.
Amir and Jeremy have only just started sailing together, but they're both massively experienced, double Olympic medalist, world champion. But guys, it wasn't a great start to the regatta. Since then, it's just gone up and up. Jeremy, what's going so right for you?
We know that every race won't be easy for us because it's our first regatta. And the first day was pretty hard, but it was improving the whole day. At the end, we were not far away from the others, but we started bad and finished well. And since then, we are going up, up, up.
So far, we've gone from 24th at the end of day one up to 10th by the end of day two, and now lying in second after 2 second places. Camille, you weren't feeling that good this morning, and you've got other priorities as well. Tell us what's been going on in your life lately.
My new life means short nights and taking care of 2 children, but I'm very happy to travel with my whole family and to continue to live my dream of Olympics with all the support of my family. Even if I'm tired, I'm very happy to be back sailing.
Well guys, you are having an amazing regatta, so I wish you all the best for the rest of it. We'll keep on watching how you go. Well done.
Thank you.